I'm going to show you how to search for filters on Instagram. So I'll show you two ways. One way is for your story, and then I'll show you how to do it with your reels. So let's go to Instagram, and I'm just on my home page here, but what you want to do here is go to the plus sign at the top left-hand corner here, and you want to go to your story, and let's go to our camera. And as you see, as I'm on my camera, you can go to the bottom and scroll through different things here. But what we can do is scroll all the way over until we can't scroll anymore. And you're going to find a magnifying glass here. And that's going to allow us to go through the filters and find something here. What we can do is go ahead and type something in. So let's just go, I don't know, vintage, I guess, for something old style. And this is going to give you a bunch of different types of filters, and that's going to, as you see, adjust the camera and put that filter on the camera. So then the next time you take a photo, it's going to have that filter automatically there, as you see right here. So let's go out and back out of this, and I will get rid of this and discard that. Let's go back to that plus sign, and let's go to Reel. So Reels, it's a little bit different. Go to your camera. It's a little bit different here because you don't actually have it at the bottom here. So what you can do is go ahead and hit effects on the far left-hand side here. And that's going to give you the same types of things that you can do for your reels. You can go ahead and scroll through. Go ahead and type something in. I don't know, let's just do a blue filter. And this is going to give you a bunch of different options and stuff like that. But it's very simple and easy to go through and search for certain filters. And that's pretty much it. As you see here, it does not have the magnifying glass on the far right side. So you will have to go through the effects option, which is on the left-hand side, just like so. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go about.